hold the button. It's gonna go ba-doom. Go home. Okay. Now we're done there. We're gonna move the back gauge off. We'll go manual. We'll come over here and down arrow to X1. X1 times 10, and then down arrow to R1 times 10, just to get it off the home position. Now we're gonna move it in manual and go to, set that to, oh, you son of a bitch.
Because it keeps fluctuating?
I guess.
Maybe hit that deal to make it go up.
Backspace. Let's give it a 4.0. Enter, start, and then foot pedal. Here she goes. And we're at, oh, it went to auto up. Good.
Move that back there one more time. I didn't catch that.
Sure. We will go to times 10.